From the title of the video, you already know why you're here. We're back today with another Walmart grocery haul. Let's go ahead and get into it because if you can tell by my voice, I'm not feeling the greatest. So let's go ahead and get into what we got. Today I did a Walmart delivery haul. So I got some of the Lipton green tea, mixed berry, some Capri Suns and some waters. I got a box of the bold mixed chips. My kids really like these. They're addicted to hot chips right now. So I got those. Some orange juice, which I'm about to make me a big cup of that right now. I got some spaghetti noodles, chili dog sauce, some hash browns for a quick breakfast, Philly cheesesteak hot pockets, a couple bananas, a lemon, which I need. I got some rice cakes, the caramel kind. I got 3 of these Michelena's fettuccine with chicken and broccoli Alfredos. Some hot dog buns. I got a sack of just plain russet potatoes. Some popsicles. My kids love popsicles. They don't care if it's hot or cold outside. They want a popsicle. 2 packs of ground beef. I have a big, huge thing of Prego traditional sauce because I'm going to make stuffed bell peppers tonight. And I'm going to make spaghetti. So this will be enough for both of those dishes. Some more quick snacks, some honey buns and some cosmic brownies. Some chicken strips. Over here we have some of the sausage buttermilk biscuits. Some cereal. I got a loaf of bread. I got 3 chicken pot pies. Got a pack of the noodles, the ones in the cup. Let me walk around here. And then I got some blueberry waffles, some turkey bacon, some donuts, and they really smushed up. He didn't have to do my donuts like that, but that's all right. And I got some liquid IV. How was school? Got some vanilla yogurt. Huh? Hold on, I'm recording of it. Some bagels. I got some Colby Jack cheese. A couple of packs of flour tortillas. We're going to have quesadillas for dinner one night. And then sometimes my oldest son gets up and cooks breakfast. He can make him some breakfast burritos for in the morning. French fries. I'm going to try this to see if it'll help with my cold. I need something spicy, so we're gonna see how that helps. The corn on the cob, this comes with 6 cobs and it's like $1 right now. So I got some mild chunky salsa, some Spanish style rice to go in those stuffed bell peppers that I'm gonna be making for dinner tonight, and 2 packs of long grain rice. I don't know if I showed this, but some oatmeal, the variety pack, strawberries and cream, blueberries and cream, peaches and cream, and bananas and cream. I got some peanut butter and jelly mix, a box of double cheeseburger macaroni. This one is really good. And I got this chicken finger dipping sauce. I actually see this on TikTok, and we're gonna try it to see how I like it. They say it's like Cane's dipping sauce. And then I got a pack of sausages, and that's it. Oh, and I also got some eggs. We haven't been able to find eggs lately, but I got some today. So yeah, that is it. That is all that I got from Walmart with this grocery delivery haul. It's so convenient when they bring the groceries to you, especially on a day like this when I'm not feeling the best. So yeah, that is all we got today, our little weekly restock haul. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're able to find eggs in your grocery store because there's like a nationwide shortage right now. Some chickens were sick, so we can't get eggs, but we got them today, so maybe that's over. As always, I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.